Electronic Laboratory Safety Training Course. Part 3, Equipment and Protocol. Remember, lab equipments are oftentimes expensive and the property of the university. Only use equipments when you know how. Follow the instructions and do not use defective equipment. A note on use of centrifuge: there are two lids, an external and internal one. Ensure both are closed securely before pushing the start button. It is important that your samples are placed within the chamber symmetrically, so, if the chamber were the face of a clock, and you place one tube at 12 o'clock, the other tube must be placed at 6 o'clock. If you only have one tube, then you must balance the opposite side with a tube of water with the same volume. Finally, do not just walk away after pressing start. Wait for the centrifuge to reach maximum speed and check there are no odd or loud sounds coming from inside. Micropipettes are common lab instruments and come in a variety of volume ranges. Select the appropriate one, and never reuse pipette tips. Waste material disposal is important because some are biohazards which must not be discarded down the sink as they pose a threat to the environment. These must be disposed into a bin for autoclave, or mixed with bleach before pouring down the sink. Certain solvents and oils needs to be segregated into bins. And powder or solutions that may solidify into a gel must not be poured down the sink as it may clog the sink. Discard into the bin. One important safety precaution to bear in mind is that some biohazardous wastes may contain traces of ethanol, one ingredient in some buffers. In this case, adding bleach will produce toxic chlorine gas. Certain procedures may produce toxic fumes and some chemicals produce volatile compounds that may be carcinogenic or neurotoxic. Carry these procedures out under the fume hood and wear your PPE. Remember not to put your face inside the hood, minimize storage of chemicals in the hood, clean spills immediately, and work with the sash at the proper operating level as indicated by the arrows. Gas cylinders are very heavy, and will do serious damage if they topple over. Transport of these cylinders are only done by authorized personnel. If you need to use the gas, check the nozzle area to make sure that there is no leakage. Turn the knob to off, fully.